Quick question. Without looking, how much do you spend on subscription in a year? Most people get somewhere around $50 a month, and most people are wrong by a factor of 5. This is a real example. Dollars spent a month, which sounds survivable until you see it as a year, $3,530. And this line right here is the one that stinks, $696 a year. Things this person already admitted they don't use. That's not a budgeting problem, that's just money leaking. So let me show you how to find yours and then how to do something better with it. What if you send it somewhere else, somewhere where it could grow? Up to 10 years, this can become $14,000. Let's look around this spreadsheet and what it has to offer. So you do have where you start here, how to set up this spreadsheet. Your subscription is where you list all your subscription. The dashboard tells you the truth. Cancellation Wins give you a hit list and then funds your house to turn the money you save into something that actually grows. One file works in Google Sheet and Microsoft Excel. No add-on, no login. To the subscription tab. This is the only tab that takes any real work and it takes about 10 minutes, one time. Put up your bank statement and your card statement. Last 3 months, not one, because the annual charges hides. Then type each one in what it is, what it costs, and also how often it's billed. Over here, billing cycle is a drop down. You can select if it's a weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annual. This matters because this sheet annualizes everything for you. It's better to have an annual view of things than just monthly, and it makes a huge difference. So for example, watch this Amazon Prime line over here. It's $139 a year. And you can see that it's an average of $11.58 a month. If you compare it to your Netflix over here, you can see that Netflix actually might seem like it's cheaper on a monthly basis, but when you see it annual, you can actually see the difference here. Here is the column that does the real work over here. Still using yes, sometime, or no. And I want you to be brutally honest here because here is where the money is. Let me change this to a no. As you can see, change colors. And also it immediately say cancel this. Green means keep it. Amber means need review. And then red, it means that you already told me you don't use it. So the sheet isn't judging you, it's just repeating back what you said. Let's come over to the dashboard. Now you don't type anything over here, you just read it. It's usually a bit of a gut punch because you can see and then annual spend and then how many subscriptions are actually active, and also in gold, you can see how much you have already saved by canceling things. And renewal coming up within 30 days, so nothing charges you by surprise. Then the call out. You can cut $972 a year right now for subscription you say you don't use. That's just arithmetic and your own answer. This is not a suggestion. And below, that's another $1,879 a year is under review. As you marked sometime, this can pile up. So that's also something to review as you kind of go through the spreadsheet. The category breakdown is where people find their surprise. This person is spending $960 on food delivery and over $1,000 here on software and apps, 2 cloud storage services, 3 streaming app they rotate between. You don't see that in your bank app. You only see it when it's grouped like this. Your cancellation win over here. Cancellation Wins build your hit list automatically. Everything you marked no ranked by what it costs you per year, biggest first. Here we do have Planet Fitness, Netflix, New York Times, and Disney. Nothing to sort, nothing to calculate. Open the app, cancel it, come back, and then mark it cancelled. It's your money won back scoreboard. Here you have $311.26 back into your pocket that you can save right now. It's built this way on purpose. Canceling subscription is boring admin. Watching a number go up is not. Find your hustle tab, and this tab that makes this different from every other subscription tracker out there. Because here is what normally happens. You cancel 3 things, you feel great for a day, and then that money quietly disappears back into your regular spending. You never actually see it again. So fund your hustle, it takes your money leak. Here we have $80. The money start growing. Ask a better question. What if you send it somewhere else? Somewhere where it could grow. Type in what you will direct each month. Set a grow rate or leave it at 0 if you're just saving cash. And look at that. So here, let's say if you were to invest in an S&P 500 that returns at 7%, this is what you will get over here. Over a year, invested rate, 3 years, 3,000, and then up to 10 years, this can become $14,000. And if we are a little conservative, you invested in a high yield saving account that is paying, let's say, 3%, that's still a good income. Over 1 year, again, $985. And in 10 years, this could literally become $11,000 in 10 years. So as you can see from canceling stuff you already told me you don't use, that is a laptop or a real emergency fund, or even the seed for the side hustle you keep saying that you will start. That's the whole thesis of this spreadsheet. Don't just find the leak, point it somewhere. The 90-day Audit tab. Last thing, subscription creeps back. You sign up for a free trial, you forget, 6 months later, it's furniture. So there is a 90-day audit checklist over here that I created for this tab. Run it once a quarter, 10 minutes, 4 times a year, and the leaks stay sealed. So here you can mark it done, or you can mark it not yet as you go through each step. So if you are in Excel, just open it. If you are in Google Sheet, click the link that will be in your welcome files and then make a copy. Open it in Drive. It's free to create an account. Once you make a copy, now you are ready to start making changes to this spreadsheet. This is instant download. Link in the description. Honestly, if it finds you one forgotten subscription, it's paid for itself in about 10 times over. So go find your money, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like more budget spreadsheet like this, as I create this for people who are creating something on the side and want to own their finance. Thank you.